Hello, good morning, children. I am Binod Kumar Yadav, your English teacher. Today, all of you are welcome in online class of English practice. Topic Reading for Understanding. Question number 5. Read the following story: The Geese and the Tortoise. Two geese and tortoise were good friends. They lived in a small lake in a jungle. But as summer approached, the lake started drying up. The three friends were worried as they could not live without water. We must leave this place and go to some other lake, said the first goose. I know there is a lake at the other corner of the jungle. Let us go there, replied the second goose. But the tortoise was upset after listening to this and said, I cannot fly like you. How will I go there? The geese loved the tortoise as a true friend and immediately thought of a plan. We will hold a stick in our beaks from the two sides. You hold it in your mouth from the center, and then we can all fly together. But remember, warned the first goose, you must not open your mouth or speak anything, or else you will fall and die. The tortoise agreed. So the geese and the tortoise flew up in the sky as planned. On the ground below, some people saw this sight and started making fun of the tortoise hanging on a stick. The tortoise got angry and opened its mouth to speak something. But before it could realize, it fell down to the ground and died. The geese were saddened by the loss of their friend due to its foolishness. Number 8. Tick the correct option. Where did the geese decide to go? to another lake. Stick to another lake. How did the geese hold the stick? With their beaks. Stick. Why did the tortoise fall down? The tortoise opened its mouth. Tick. Number B. Answer the following questions. Why did the geese and the tortoise have to leave their lake? The geese and the tortoise have to leave their lake because the lake started drying up. What was the plan proposed by the geese? The plan was that the geese will hold a stick in their beaks from the two sides, and the tortoise would held in its mouth from the center, and they will fly together. What did the first goose warn the tortoise against? The first goose warned him not to open its mouth or speak anything, otherwise, it would fall and die. Why did the tortoise open its mouth? The tortoise got angry and opened its mouth to speak something. Number C. The following words have two meanings each. Use them in sentences of your own to show that you understand the two meanings. Number one, leave. We will leave this house. I have to take 5 days leave. Number two, fly. We should always fly high. Fly is an insect. Number three, stick. The stick is thick. Stick the poster. Okay, this is your CW and learn by heart. All these question answer is your HW and send your answer is HW.